I make over $1,000 a day in profit from cleaning houses, but I've never cleaned a house in my life. And this isn't some side hustle hack, and it's not a passive income gimmick. It's a real business with real customers. But here's the best part. I don't do the cleaning. I don't have a warehouse. I don't chase clients. I run everything from my phone and laptop. My cleaning business books around $4,000 a day in jobs, and after paying my cleaners and expenses, I keep just over $1,000 in profit. Most people think starting a business means having a product or inventing some genius idea, and they're wrong. You just need a simple system, one that solves a problem people will always pay for. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how I built it step by step, so you can copy it and have your own remote business running in weeks. You'll see how I get customers, how I get reliable cleaners to do the work, how I price jobs, and how I automate everything so it runs without me. You can make money from home without affiliate marketing, without being a content creator, and without becoming an influencer. The reason you've never heard of this? People think you have to scrub toilets. That's the misconception. And this is why it's still flying under the radar. Imagine running a business where customers find you every day, booking services, paying up front while contractors handle the work. No mops, no inventory, no chasing clients. Just you managing the system from your phone. I started with zero cleaning experience, no idea how to quote a job, but I had a plan, and once I figured it out, everything changed. So here's the deal. I'm about to show you exactly how I get leads, close jobs without competing on price, find reliable cleaners, and automate the whole thing. Just do these 10 things and you'll have a fully automated money-making machine you can run from anywhere. Step number 1, you need a name, logo, and a domain for your website. Don't get stuck here. You're not building Nike. You're just building trust. So for clarity, your name should say what you do. A great example of this is Merry Maids. You read the name and you know that it's maids that are merry. And to make it memorable, try to incorporate alliteration. Alliteration is when consecutive words have the same sound. So using that same example, Merry Maids. So it's really the perfect name because it says what the business does, maids that are merry, and it has alliteration, Merry Maids. If you can create a name that says what your business does and it incorporates alliteration, you've got a winner. Then spend 5 minutes in Canva or any free AI logo creation tool. Don't worry about icon art. Just keep it real simple with a clean typeface logo. Here's mine. You see it's straight typeface and it uses alliteration. And you can easily decipher that it's happy people that help you around the home. Then head over to GoDaddy.com, grab your domain for $12, and this should all take less than an hour and cost less than $20. Step number 2, get licensed and insured. Now I know this sounds big, but it's not. Just type this into a Google search, janitorial license plus the name of your city. Then fill out the form, pay the fee, and you're done. For insurance, go to nextinsurance.com, get a quote, and leave just enough coverage to look legit and help you sleep at night. The cost? Between $200 and $300, but now you're official. Step number 3, build your website with belief built in. Do not overthink this. You don't need animations or a branding guide. You need a conversion machine, something that makes a tired mom or a busy executive think, I would totally trust these people to clean my home. To do that, all you need is these 3 things to happen when someone lands on your website, and they all have to be realized in under 5 seconds or people bounce. The first one is, what is it? You need a clear headline telling people what your business does. This is my website. My headline says, Professional House Cleaning in Las Vegas. The second thing they need to understand is, how does it benefit me? And my subheadline says, dedicated to giving you fast and friendly and reliable service. And the third thing they need to know is, how do I get it? You should have a call to action button with your phone number and a form filled to request a quote, just like this. And that's it. That's the job of your website, to capture leads. You can use Wix or Squarespace, drag, drop, and you're done. No code, no headache. You could build the whole thing in a weekend, or hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork for a few $100. What matters is this: your site needs to feel legit, like you've been doing this for years. Even if today's your first day, it needs to make them feel like you'll show up, do the job right, and leave their home spotless every time. When a customer believes that, price becomes secondary. They're buying certainty, not the cheapest option. Think of your website like a physical storefront. When someone walks into a store, there's an associate to greet them, answer their questions, and guide them towards what they need. Your website is that storefront, and the words on it are your associate. They welcome visitors, they explain your service, they answer objections, and they build trust. It's your 24/7 salesperson, your silent closer, always working even when you're not. Step number 4, set up your tools. Not a rocket ship, just your control panel. You need Slack to talk to your cleaners. Use OpenPhone to create a dedicated business phone line on your cell phone. You can call and text customers, and it's a distinct ring so you know it's not friends or family. Use Jobber for customer relationship management, scheduling, quoting, and invoicing all in one app. The cost of everything depends on how many users you add, but it'll look and run like a serious company, even if it's just you. Step number 5, Google Business Profile. It's free. It's your front row seat on Google, and it's powerful. When someone searches cleaner near me, you pop up. On the right side of the screen, your name, reviews, photos, contact info. It's like a billboard, business card, and a storefront all rolled into one. Except it's online. That's the game. It matters because people searching there are ready to buy, not just browsing, not just curious. They want someone now. So if your profile isn't optimized, you're invisible. Step number 6, standard operating procedures, otherwise known as SOPs. Since you can't wing it forever, you gotta write down exactly how you book, how you schedule, how you assign cleaners and what info they get, and how long a job should take to be profitable. SOPs turn chaos into consistency, and consistency is what scales. Step number 7, set your pricing. Most people guess, or they copy what the competition charges, and that's how they end up broke. So here's the move. Use flat rate pricing for standard jobs based on square footage and the type of clean. Here's an example for my pricing sheet at 1,000 square feet. It's quick, predictable, no surprises. Quote in 30 seconds and move on. Then offer an hourly rate for weird jobs that don't fit the mold. Just kitchen and bathrooms? Hourly. Deep clean and organize the garage? Hourly. Keep it simple, keep it profitable. Confidence in pricing makes you look like a pro, even on your first call. But here's the truth. People only shop on price when they see no difference between you and the next option. If all they see is house cleaning, they'll pick whoever's the cheapest. So your job is to stand out before price even comes up. And you do that with a website that builds belief, clear professional communication, proof you'll show up on time and do the job right, and a smooth, confident quote process. When they believe you'll deliver exactly what they want, they stop comparing you to everyone else. They're not just buying the lowest number, they're buying you. Step number 8, hire the cleaners. No W-2 employees. You're building a remote crew. Post on Craigslist, Indeed, and Facebook groups. And be clear. You bring your own supplies, you set your own schedule, we give you consistent work. Find 2 to 3 good ones, treat them well, they'll carry the workload while you grow the business. Step number 9, build an inbound lead machine. If you have no leads, you make no money. Start with a Google Business Profile and Google Local Service Ads. Target people already searching for a cleaner in your city. They're not just curious, they're ready to buy. Your phone rings and your calendar fills. Step number 10, and it's optional. It's the VA handoff. VA stands for Virtual Assistant. At this point, the system runs. Jobs are in, cleaners are out, customers are happy. Hire a VA, give them the scripts and SOPs, they'll handle the bookings, quotes, calls, and follow-ups. You step out of the day-to-day and run it from anywhere. A coffee shop, beach, backseat of an Uber, that's it. 10 steps, the exact system I built, the one that pays me daily, whether I'm working or not. You know most people spend years looking for a business like this. You just found it in under 15 minutes. Now the question is, are you going to build it? If you're serious, I put together a training that walks you through it step by step. Scripts, templates, my exact ads, hiring process, pricing methods, all my automations. Everything that got me hitting $1,000 a day in profit without quitting my 9-to-5. It's called Rags to Riches University. For people who want more, without wasting years figuring it out, you don't need experience. You just need a proven system and a decision. The link's in the description. Go start building the thing that changes everything. I'll see you in the next one.